Hi guys, today we are going to do this question flipping an image. Given a binary matrix A, we want to flip the image horizontally, then invert it and return the resulting image. So let's understand what is meant by flipping the image horizontally, and then let's see what is meant by inverting it. So to invert an image horizontally means that each row of the image is reversed. For example, flipping 1 1 0 horizontally results in 0 1 1. So basically the first element becomes the last element, like we see 1 becomes the last element and the last element becomes the first element. 1 remains at its place. So if we see in this case 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0, then horizontal flip would mean that the last character comes at the first position, similarly the second last at the second position, and so on. So basically we are reversing the elements of the vector. So this is horizontal flip. And then let's see what is meant by inverting. To invert an image means each 0 is replaced by 1 and each 1 is replaced by 0. For example, inverting 0 1 1 results in 1 0 0. So each 0 is replaced by a 1 in the resultant vector and each 1 is replaced by a 0 in the vector. So how would we go about it is like we first take each row and then reverse each row, then what we get after reversing is 0 1 1, and then we invert these elements, like 0 is inverted to 1 and 1 is inverted to 0. So how would we go about inverting the elements is first we'll study about the OR gate. As every one of us understands what OR gate gives us, like 0 0 would give us answer 0, 0 1 gives us a 1, and 1 0 gives us a 1 again, 1 1 gives us answer 1. Okay, so here we observe that when either of the bit is 1, then the result is 1. Similarly, for the XOR gate, what we observe is 0 0 gives us answer 0, 0 1 gives us an answer 1, 1 0 gives us answer 1, again 1 and 1 gives us answer 0. So we see when both the bits are same, then we get 0. When either of them are set, then we get a 1. So here what we see is we need to invert the bits. So 0, if we have element 0 and if we XOR it with 1, then we get an answer 1. Similarly, if we have bit 1 and we XOR it with 1, then we get answer 0. Right, so the resultant bits are getting inverted. That is what we require. So basically we'll just do a XOR with 1 and that's it. So let's start the code. So here I'm iterating over each row of A, and then we'll reverse the array, each row, A dot begin, row dot end, that gives us a horizontal flip. And then what we would do is we'll again iterate through each row. We'll take an ampersand so that the changes made are permanent, and then we'll for each element in the row, I'll just do an XOR with one element, XOR equal to 1, and this is what we require, and just we'll return the given vector. Let's try to run the code. So the answer is correct. Let's submit it. So the code is quite efficient, and I hope you guys have understood it clearly. In case of doubts, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.